People killing, people dying, children hiding, hear them crying. 'Cause people got me questioning, where is the love? And I usually sing in public, but it sums up much more eloquently than anything that I can do. What we're going to talk about. Love. Not the LOVE type, the love of flows type, the original spirit body currents. And what's been done to us is quite a cruel joke that instead of the natural counter-breathing motion that could and should happen between our manifest materialized light body and our manifest spirit body, there is a massive disconnection to the point where we're not even sure whether we have a spirit. Soul? Spirit? Maybe? I don't know. I can feel it, kind of. Maybe. I can pray to God and maybe sometimes he answers. Your spirit body is not a conceptual idea. It's a tangible thing. It has its own frequency. You can feel it. You can breathe it into your body. And your spirit body houses your original encryption, the memory of who you are, who you were before anything went wrong. We're going to go through, very briefly, the birth process, all the imprints that a baby body could pick up during a usually quite traumatic birth, because the way we birth babies on this planet is a radically traumatic experience. As well as we're going to be looking at the prenatal process and experience and what happens before conception. Your mother was born with the egg that became you. Everything that she has ever experienced in her life is energetically lurking around in your biofield. Mommy issues much. And the original design, how we were supposed to be, how we were supposed to experience ourselves, is quite different from what we now think and believe our body is. So we're going to talk about the differences, and we're going to do as much as we can about how to bring back the spirit-body connection, how to remind ourselves of our original blueprint, and how to rewrite gene encryptions, neural pathways that are now very deliberately making us even question whether we are capable of what feels good, what feels natural. And instead, we are being made to settle for a reality that feels quite alien, but it is the hard truth. Now we're going to flip that around a bit, maybe. As well as when we talk about love, what we've done to words on this planet, ridiculous. We do so many things in the name of love. We claim that we love. We categorize love in so many ways that don't feel good, don't feel right. For me, love is not an emotion, it's a container. It's the coharmonic resonance that allows anything else to manifest, any other emotion. It's the incubator space for anything else to manifest and materialize. And it's quite a tricky topic to talk about because our description of what love is, or what it should be, or what it could be, is usually very deeply ingrained with pain, suffering, struggle. I want it, but I cannot have it. Love hurts. Pain and pleasure. It takes a lot of conscious attention, intention, and nurturing care, loving kindness to regenerate energies from a space that has not been corrupted. Because there is a space, a tangible space, time, location, coordinate in you, in your biofield, that nothing can get to. No distraction, no disharmonic frequency, no attack, no manipulation, nothing can get to your original spirit body encryption, because those frequencies are much more powerful than anything manifest, materialized. That is the recipe from which you were built. Life is not a hodgepodge organic happenstance. Your spirit body is what breathes life into you. I hope I said enough there. See you soon.